Hello, my name is Tim Edwards and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. In today's lesson, I want to teach you how to play the chord F sharp minor. F sharp minor. Very easy open chord to play. So let's get started. So that's the sound of F sharp minor. F sharp minor, very easy chord to play. To play this chord, you place finger number 1 on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on the string number 5 of the 4th fret, and then finger number 4, or your pinky finger, directly underneath that on string number 4, also on the 4th fret. And play all strings but this top string. Just kind of mute it with your thumb, or just barely touch it with your thumb, or don't strum string number 6. And then play all strings. Be sure and let that bottom E string ring out. F sharp minor. Very easy chord to play. A lot of times you'll come out of E and play that. Okay, again, to review that, finger number 1 is placed on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret. Finger number 3 is placed on the 5th string of the 4th fret. And then your pinky finger is placed directly underneath that on the 4th string of the 4th fret also. And then strum all strings but the very top string, or the E string. F sharp minor. Okay, if you like this video, be sure and hit the like button below. If you'd like to see more guitar chords, be sure and visit my playlist in the description below. If you're not a current subscriber to my channel, be sure and hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you join and follow me on guitar lessons and chords, and showing you how to play some praise and worship songs and hymns as well. So thank you for joining me today. Have a great day, and God bless you.